Hello viewers and welcome again to my channel. We're here in Lobo, Batangas to check our new project. And since nandito na rin kami, check na rin natin tong 3-story. This is our previous project. And ngayon ko lang makikita yung accomplishments dito. By the way, this is our new project. This is a multi-purpose hall. More on welding works and masonry works. Nagsimula to 3rd week ng September. Again, this is our second project here in Lobo. Pero 3rd project na to sa client namin. Ito na yung finished product niya. Yung 3rd floor is still an open space pero may kinuha ng contractor doon si client para sa glass and aluminum. So sasarahan yon and gagawa ng glass wall. By the way, hindi lang tayo makakapasok sa loob ng mga kwarto kasi nakalock siya and wala sa akin yung card. So yung ipapakita ko sa inyo yung labas lang. So dito sa 1st floor, naka-tiles na yung hallway, naka-stainless and glass railing na din, may mga doors and windows na rin. Switches and outlets are properly installed and nilagyan na nila nito. So hindi ko alam to kasi hindi kami yung naglagay nito. Nakalimutan ko na yung tawag dyan. Yung pintuan naman niya naka-smart lock, so kailangan ng card para mabuksan. Itong 1st floor naka-sliding glass door. And they also installed a router here. I think connected din to sa CCTV. By the way, kung makikita nyo ang taas ng flooring ng mga buildings, diba? Kasi in the future, tatambakan pa to na halos kasing pantay na ng flooring. Let's go and check the 2nd floor. And since identical yung room sa 1st floor at 2nd floor, expected na yung itsura ng 2nd floor is katulad din ng sa 1st floor. Pero hindi siya naka-stainless and glass railing. Ito yung itsura niya. Same naka-smart lock ang door. Naka-sliding glass door din. Pero overlooking view. Kapag nabuo na yung function hall, matatakpan na yung view ng dagat. Ito naman yung tsunami project in duplex. 4 units yan. 2 sa baba, 2 sa taas. Let's take a glimpse of the 3rd floor naman. So yung stairs niya, naka-tiles na. And I think hindi rin tayo maka-access dito kasi wala tayong card. Pero last time dito ganito wala pa siyang tiles. Ngayon meron na siya, tapos may pintuan na siya. May pintura na din. Ganito yung view dito sa 3rd floor. Kita natin yung bubong ng duplex and also ng kapitbahay. Sa ngayon, silip-silip na lang muna tayo kasi wala tayong access sa mga rooms. And ganito pa yung itsura ng 3rd floor. Open space pa siya. Ang magsasara lang nito ay ibang contractor na glass and aluminum yung kanyang wall. So mag-uusap na dito is yung contractor and our client. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos, you may follow me on TikTok and Facebook. And you may also subscribe to my channel, The Rainsworth TV. Thank you so much and God bless.